video, I am discussing inclusive education paper. It's an off-course paper. Let's move on to the video. There are two types of motor disabilities. One is gross motor disability. Then another one is fine motor disability. So dysfunction in motor functioning may be the result of a number of different conditions including traumatic brain injury, developmental delay, neurological condition, for example cerebral palsy, complications during the pregnancy, other neurologic and musculoskeletal system related diseases. An individual may have difficulty coordinating large muscles such as the muscles of arms and legs and have what is a gross motor disability. On the other hand, a person may struggle using smaller muscle groups such as those in their hands and have a fine motor disability. Types of motor disability injury: spinal cord injury, loss of damaged limb, cerebral palsy, muscular dystrophy, multiple sclerosis, spina bifida. These are the types of motor disability injuries. So some practical difficulties: 40% of people with a motor impairment have difficulty using their hands. Users may not able to use the mouse while using the computer. A user may not be able to control the mouse or keyboard well. User may be using voice activated softwares. User may become easily fatigued. So these are the some of the difficulties of the motor disability person. Spinal cord injuries can result in a state of paralysis of the limbs. Paralysis of the legs is called paraplegia. Then paralysis of the legs and arms are called quadriplegia. Before we get into the details of how spinal cord injuries affect, let's go over some of the statistics. The average age at injury is 31.7 years. Males account for about 75% of those spinal cord injuries. The leading causes of spinal cord injury are as follows: motor vehicle accident 44%, acts of violence 24%, falls 22%, sport activities 8%, other activities cost 2% of the motor disabilities. Then if your child struggles with tasks like writing, drawing and using scissors, you may have heard people mention the term fine motor skills when describing the challenges. But what are fine motor skills? Fine motor skills are the ability to make movements using the small muscles in our hands and wrists. Kids rely on these skills to do key tasks in school and everyday life. So these are the types of motor disabilities and kinds of motor disabilities. So thanks for watching. Wish you all the best.